Hello, my name is Mr. Paneri, and I'll be your computer fundamentals teacher for this year. The reason I'm making this video is to welcome everyone to the class. And you guys are working from home and you guys are studying from home and you guys are remote. So I wanted to make this video to reach out to all of you students out there who are at home and not physically able to attend the class here, which some of the students will be here, but not everyone. So since you're home, I just wanted to give a brief introduction about what this class is about. And I'll go over all of the topics that we're going to be covering in the computer fundamentals class. For the first few weeks, we're going to be learning about Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. If you have already used these software, then that's great. You'll have an advantage and you'll know exactly what to do. But if you're not familiar with these pieces of software, then that's okay. We're going to go over it. We're going to teach you everything about these software. Microsoft Word is used for typing things. So for example, if you have to type an essay and to submit to a class, then you'll be using Microsoft Word to type out your essay. Or if you want to create any document, you'll be using Microsoft Word. Microsoft Excel is used for working with large data or small data. Any data that you're going to be working with, Excel is your go-to source. Is a go-to software for working with data, making charts. And we're going to go into the details when we get to this topic of Excel. The other thing we're going to learn is Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you're doing a presentation in class or anywhere, you're going to need to know Microsoft PowerPoint. And it's used for making slides that you can display on the screen or any projector screen, and then talk about your slides and give a presentation using the slides from Microsoft PowerPoint. After we have learned these three software, then we're going to learn what a computer is about, how a computer works, what are the different computer parts. And if your computer is running slow or if you're having issues with your computer, then how can we solve those issues? What could be the problem with your computer, and how can we fix your computer? So we're going to be learning about all of the different parts of the computer as well. Here in this class, we have these parts here, which you can see, and we're going to be learning about all of these different parts, computer parts. I hope you can see it nicely on the video. It's going to be really helpful. A lot of times people complain that, hey, my computer is running really slow. What can I do to fix it? And in terms of hardware specifically, what can I do to upgrade my computer? If, for example, I'm not able to run a very high intensive video game, what can I do to fix that? And so we're going to learn all about that. Afterwards, we're going to go into the topic of web development and programming, video production, and graphic design. So these are the three major topics that we're going to cover. Very briefly, we will not be going in depth. So after you get a taste of these different career paths, which is web development, video production, and graphic design, we're gonna use different software to accomplish those goals, and these are the different career paths. So after taking after learning about these three topics, then you'll be able to make a decision about what you really like and what you want to pursue further. And so next year, which career path would you like to choose? And so these are the three different career paths we have laid out in the Information Technology High School. And you'll be able to pick a path that you really like and go ahead and you'll be uh, learning more in depth about that topic, and you'll be becoming an expert in that topic. So once again, the 3 career paths you can choose. I'll talk a little bit in detail about each of these career paths. So first is web development for making websites, and there's also introduction to programming. So if you want to pursue a career in programming, it could be programming anything. There are many things that can be coded. So you'll be learning the basics of programming to be able to do more of you won't be doing the advanced programming, but the basics of programming. So in the future, if you wanted to learn about, let's just say, robotics programming or artificial intelligence programming, or any kind of app development programming apps, all of these different topics, we won't be learning these, but you'll have the basic understanding to go and learn those in the future. The next topic is graphic design, and graphic design is for working with the software that we're going to be using is Photoshop, and it's a great software for editing photos and images. And so, for example, if you wanted to make a photo bright, or any kind of effects or any kind of details you want to add to any image, Photoshop will be the software that's going to be the introduction to Photoshop aspect of this course. And so if you really enjoy that, then you would pick that career path for next year. And the last topic is the video production topic. And so if you like making movies, or if you want to learn about directing movies, or even all the technical aspects of video editing, making short clips, or anything related to video, we're going to be doing the basics. And once again, so all of these 3 topics: web development, web design, programming, video production, and graphic design, these topics we're going to cover very briefly. We'll give you a taste of it. You'll work with it, you'll use it, and you'll get familiar with it. So next year you'll be able to pick a career path of your own, and take further classes at information technology high school, and become an expert in one of these particular fields. And I'm very excited to teach this class. And in the next video, I'm going to show you why I'm teaching this course and a little bit about myself. And so that's going to be the next video, but this video is just about what the class is about. And after watching this video, I do have a few questions for you. If you could please answer these questions and submit the answers to these questions on Juno Docs. The questions that I have for you are, so the first question is, why did you choose to take this class? What is the reason you picked this computer fundamentals class? And why did you pick this information technology high school? The next question is, so now that you know what the class is about, we went over this. So the question is, what did you think is the most exciting part of the class? So we have talked about all the topics we're going to be covering in the class, and which topic do you think was the most exciting topic? And what are you most excited about in this class that you want to learn? So that's the next question. And then a follow-up question from that is, let's just say that if you want to learn something that is not covered in this class, then what is that topic related to computer that you would like to learn? And so these 3 questions, please answer these questions. And there's another video that I'm going to follow up with, which is going to be about myself. Thank you very much for watching this video. And so I'll see you guys in person if you're gonna be coming in person, or if you're gonna be working from home. Then one day I'll get to see you guys. Okay, thank you. Bye.